The difference between audio and MIDI tracks is audio gets directly recorded into your session, such as a vocal, guitar, or maybe you want to sample some vinyl. You can also use pre-recorded audio loops from sample packs or ones that come with live as well. Audio can be drag and dropped right into your session and played back without having to play any notes or assigning it to any type of virtual instrument, since the sound has already been recorded or be recorded from a live instrument. Now, instead of having a bunch of keyboards and drum machines in your studio, you can use what are called virtual instruments, which are placed on MIDI tracks. They are a digital version of the actual hardware. Not only can it save you money not having to buy expensive hardware, but you can also have your whole studio inside your computer. MIDI tracks are different from audio in that they receive the signal being sent from a virtual device that will create the sound you are wanting to play. This can be from a MIDI controller, or you can manually enter the notes in you want to hear played back from the device you chose. Here are a few examples of what a MIDI file and an audio file look like. The first one is a synth sound made from a virtual instrument, which you will see the MIDI notes that were played at the bottom. Now let's check it out as an audio file. Notice that you can see the waveforms of the synth that were recorded. This is a drum kit made from a virtual instrument that was played through MIDI. Each note is a different drum sound. And last, this is an audio version of the drums, just like if a live drummer was in the studio recording with us.